Hey there! So, are you joining us to explore the School of Hospitality? Let's strap on and learn more about the course. Welcome to the Diploma in Restaurant and Culinary Operations. Oh no, it looks like the revenue has been decreasing for the restaurant. But it seems like they have a plan to research a new dish. Experience hands-on training in operational training restaurants. Embark on an adventure to learn the world of gastronomy. We train in various restaurant and culinary operations. And through these efforts, it seems like the sales are finally going back up for the restaurant. Good job!